Good morning, everyone. We will start this session in another 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. There are still participants joining the room. I think we are good to go now. Once again, very good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I am part of MarketSmith India team, which manages model portfolio. So before we go ahead into this podcast, for that matter, for any webinar or seminar which we do, the standard disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. With that disclaimer, let's start this podcast with analyzing Nifty's daily chart. Currently, Nifty has been hovering around 19,800, 700 levels. Yesterday, it was a muted action and it closed near the day's low, around 19,800 level. The positive points are the index is currently trading above its major key moving averages. It is trading above all 21, 50, 100, and 200 EMS, a positive sign. It is around 400 points from the off highs. So these 400 points will act as some overhead supply. So that is the reason it is finding some kind of resistance by from these investors who have bought at the higher levels. Once that level is reclaimed, then there won't be any resistance, and Nifty trading at all-time highs will definitely boost investors' sentiment and also attract foreign institutional investors as well. On the downside, 50 and 100 EMS are going to be very crucial for the index. Index holding these levels is very important for the investors. If those levels are reached, we might see another 500 to 600 point of selling on the downside. Coming to the market status from O'Neill's perspective, we are still in rally attempt. However, we have been adding stocks to model portfolio. We have flipped up buy switch because Nifty decisively reclaimed moving averages. So it is important to stay invested in this current moment. So we have also we have been very conscious and very cautious as well while taking fresh positions. We are looking at only strong breakouts with fundamentally strong record history of their quarterly earnings, only considering those kind of stocks to add to portfolio. And from here, we would like to see a FTD session to reinforce our sentiment of the positive sentiment on the Indian market. If that FTD session happens, definitely we'll see more and more stocks breaking out from the base patterns, and also our action in the model portfolio will also be higher. That is with the Nifty and what is perspective on the Nifty chart. Other broader in market indices which we track, Nifty mid cap and small cap indices are doing very good. They are trading near all-time highs. Some of the sectoral indices have also been doing very good. Nifty Bank on the flip side is slightly underperforming, but if that joins the party of this rally, definitely we will see a Nifty making a new all-time high. Moving on to the next section, that is key news and stocks which will be on the radar today in the today's trading session. Lupin has received an tentative approval from the US FDA for its ANDA, that is abbreviated new drug application, two kinds of tablets to market in the US. NMDC has fixed its iron ore prices lump ore of grade 65% 6 to 40 at a rate of 5,400 rupees per ton. Fines at the rate of that is a grade of 64% at a rate of 4,660 rupees per ton. These prices are effective from yesterday. Prestige Estates Projects has launched a new luxurious high-rise residential project in Bangalore. It is named Prestige Glenbrook. This development will have two towers and with an apartment count of 285. and this will also have a developable area of 0.7 million square feet of area, and company estimates that this will have a revenue potential of nearly 550 crores of rupees. Apar Industries has launched a qualified institutional placement for raising funds yesterday, and for this QIP issue, the company has fixed the floor price at 5,540 rupees per share. Yesterday, in the Indian market, both foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors were net buyers of the Indian equities, but the quantum of buying is on the lower side. You can see FI has bought 255 crores of Indian equities, whereas domestic institutional investors bought 458 crores of Indian equities. These numbers are on net basis, that is the difference of buying minus selling. For the global market update, US market is closed yesterday because of Thanksgiving, and today there is a Black Friday, which is observed in the US. So the US markets are closed. But if you are looking for cues, Asian markets, you can start with the Nikkei with a positive uh, territory of 0.8%, whereas Kospi and Shanghai are trading in the negative territory with a decline of 0.3 to 0.5%. Yeah, Chip Nifty is also indicating a slightly muted opening. There is no major gap up or gap down expected on the Nifty index as well. Nifty closed at 20,800, so 50-60 point here and there opening is mostly considered muted. But we like to see buying happening during the session, and if that follow buying happens, then definitely we will see Nifty advancing higher and portfolio also doing better. For the chart of the day, we picked DCM Shriram Industries. I can see it is placed very good on the charts wise. Uh, the base pattern looks very good. You can see due to the base formation, volumes have completely dried up. This indicates only weak hands have been getting shaken out, and during the right side of the base formation, it is very good accumulation has been there. So these are the few pointers we look at during a base formation, and all the pointers are looking very good for the base formation, and it has broken out yesterday. But we are still considering whether to take a position in this or not. Uh, However, you can see here the number of funds section, there is very good improvement, and other parameters have also been looking very good. Fundamental of EPS of 87 and price strength of 88, A by D rating of A minus. All these ratings make this stock look very good for adding. You can definitely consider the stock for adding, and you can keep a follow stop loss rules as well after taking a position. Thanks for joining today's people, and have a good trading session. And Monday is a trading holiday due to Guru Nanak Jayanti, so there won't be any pre-bill or any commentary from us in the mails as well. Thanks, everyone.